Most people are trapped by myths about money. Today we expose 10 of them and replace them with truth. Myth 1, there's never enough. This scarcity mindset is the root of all financial stress. Truth, abundance is a choice. When you focus on possibilities, money flows easier. Start loud budgeting today. Proudly say no and watch your savings grow fast. Every morning tell yourself, money comes to me easily and frequently. Feel the shift. Myth 2, get rich quick actually works. 99% of people who chase it end up broke. Truth, wealth loves patience. Compounding and consistency always beat lottery tickets. Diversify like your life depends on it, because your future comfort does. Review your money every single week. 10 minutes prevents years of regret. Myth 3, more money will make you happy. Science says happiness plateaus at 75K. Truth, experiences and relationships create joy that no purchase can match. Purpose beats luxury every time. Buy freedom, not status symbols. Myth 4, all debt is evil. Smart debt builds wealth. Stupid debt destroys it. Good debt puts money in your pocket. Bad debt takes it out. Know the difference. Myth 5, hard work alone makes you rich. Hard work plus smart systems wins. Invest in skills that pay forever. The highest ROI you'll ever get. Myth 6, you need a big money to start investing. $1 starts compounding today. Build an emergency fund first. Peace of mind is the real first million. Myth 7, expensive things prove you're successful. Real wealth is invisible. Rich people buy assets. Broke people buy liabilities they think are assets. Myth 8, a big house is security. It's usually the fastest way to stay broke. Community accelerates wealth. Share knowledge. It multiplies instead of divides. Myth 9, FOMO investing makes you money. It makes crypto bros money, not you. Travel light. The less you carry, the faster you reach the top. Myth 10, you can't control the economy, you can control your reaction to it. You are the captain. The storm doesn't decide. Your decisions do. 10 myths shattered. 1 new mindset created. This is your turning point. You're not alone. Thousands are breaking free with you right now. Write it down. I am enough and money serves me. Say it daily. Release the fear. Let money birds fly. More always come back. The past doesn't drive. Look forward and accelerate. Small wins today compound into massive freedom tomorrow. Your key to freedom has always been in your hand. Use it. Give value first and watch the universe pay you back tenfold. Peel off the old label. You were never poor. You were pre-rich. Real luxury is laughing with people you love while the bill is tiny. Your money tree is already growing. Water it with discipline and patience. Look up. That confident future version of you is waiting. Go meet them. One last step and the view changes forever. Take it now. The myths are dead. Your wealthy life begins today. Welcome to abundance.